Alright, this is a video on how to use 3 different types of ankle braces. Depending on how bad the injury is will determine which ankle brace we use. So the first ankle brace we have is what I would call a light duty ankle brace. It's sometimes called this one is sometimes called a soccer ankle brace. It's made by Mueller. It only has laces, so it just slides on and it laces up. It gives you support on left and right, but it still allows your ankle and foot to dorsiflex and plantar flex, which is really helpful. Whenever you're fitting someone for an ankle brace, you want to make sure that it slides on correctly without any kind of bunching up of the material on the edges and sides and things like that. And then you want them to have the laces tight at the bottom, and every one should be tightened up after that. You don't want to have it really loose down here and tight at the top because it won't support the ankle. The way that you're going to know that this fits correctly is the distance of the side pieces here and the laces. Okay, and this one fits her pretty good, but let's say that that these two pieces were really close together, okay, and there was a lot of shoestring left, then that could mean that the brace is too big. Likewise, if the laces are spread way out and these two pieces are really far apart and there's a lot of space right here, then that can mean that it's probably a little too small and you need to get a bigger brace. This is a pretty good distance right here. It's starting to look like it's getting pulled a little too close together, but this one fits okay. So this will allow her to dorsiflex and plantar flex, but it gives her some stability medially and laterally. Okay, so this is for minor ankle sprains and strains. The next brace is a different style of lace-up brace. It also has these figure 8 straps, which are really handy for more of a moderate ankle sprain or strain. You can tell from this one how the laces are really close together and these side pieces are close together that this brace is too big for her. So she would need a smaller size. There's usually a tag. There's a tag right here underneath this strap, and it says that this is a small, so she probably needs to go with an extra small. It's just a little bit too big. Okay, so again, you lace these up. Make sure that all these are tight. Now, to do the straps on this, these figure 8 straps, it's important for you to do them in a certain order. Okay. You want to do the one that's on the lateral side first. So the lateral side goes over the top, and then it comes back up, and there's a whole section of Velcro on the side. And you just give it a little tension and make sure that it sticks good. Then you'll do the one on the medial side. It's over here. You go over the top, and it comes back up. So you get this figure 8 pattern with it. That helps to support the ankle. The last piece covers up your straps that you laid down and also covers up your laces to make sure it doesn't come undone while you're playing. And it goes like that. So when you're done, you have these crisscross pattern with your straps, the laces are tight, and this kind of locks everything in place. This is for more of a moderate sprain or strain. Okay, so a little bit heavier duty. All right. Now the last brace is for really bad injuries. Okay, sprains and strains still. Maybe they had a fracture and they've been out for a while and they're coming back from it. And I want to give them a lot of support, medial and laterally. Okay. So with this one we have this heavy duty plastic. Okay, that's going to go around the ankle. So the first part is a neoprene sleeve that's got a couple of little Velcro straps that hold this in place. Okay, and then this part goes around the ankle, and it can go on left or right, just like these other braces. They can go on left or right ankle. But the plastic is kind of form-fitted to the ankle. Okay, there's an opening here for this strap on the top, and then it just Velcros over. Now, this one is too big for her. The sizing for these are on the bottom. It says large, extra large. The other size is small, medium. She needs a small, medium. I just didn't have one to put on her. So this this is Velcroed together, but it would fit her better if we had a smaller size, okay? But this is gonna give her a lot of support with these medial and lateral movements. This plastic isn't gonna allow much movement, but it will allow her to do some dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, which is really nice. Okay, so a lot of stability on the sides, not much stability with dorsiflexion, plantar flexion movements, okay? And these are your 3 braces. Obviously, the athlete can play with all of these on. Just depends on the severity of the injury as to which one you want to use, and that's it.